Hello my friends, we changed the bulb, the right one, on an Audi A3 8V1 from 2013. It's not xenon, it's halogen, and there is a trick. This is the bulb we change. You do not have to take off the wheel. You can, but you do not have to. Everything you have to do is take off this rubber piece. This is the rubber piece. Have a look inside. You do not have to take the screws out. Not this, not this, not this. You have to turn this left against the clock, just a quarter. And then you can pull it out. Now you can see the bulb I have taken out. Do one finger here and one finger here and then pull. Now you see the socket. It has one nose. The nose of the new bulb is down and this nose is up. Do not touch the bulb, use gloves. For getting the bulb in again, turn a quarter clockwise. What kind of bulb do you have to buy new? It's socket H7, 12 volts, 55 watt, halogen. Do not buy any off-road bulb. It should have around 1500 lumen and not just 50. That's all. Have a nice day.